Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever struggled to find the perfect email template in Mailchimp, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, I'll walk you step by step through exactly how to find Mailchimp's email templates fast, so you can save time and get your next campaign looking polished and professional. Whether you're a beginner or you've just never dug into Mailchimp's templates before, by the end of this quick tip, you'll know exactly where to look and how to quickly filter through all your options to find the perfect fit for your needs. Alright, let's jump in. First, go ahead and open Mailchimp. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Now, the next step is to select Campaigns from the navigation menu on the left side. The Campaigns section is kind of like your workspace in Mailchimp. This is where you can view all your previous emails, as well as start anything new. So head there now. Once you're in the Campaigns area, you're going to want to look for the Create button, usually bright and easy to spot near the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Think of Create as the command center anytime you want to launch a new email, a social post, or even a landing page. Since today we're focusing on emails, let's go ahead and select Email from the list of options. If you ever feel unsure which option to pick, just remember, whenever you're sending out any kind of message to your subscribers, email is your starting point. Now you'll see a selection that says Choose Template. This is where the real fun begins. Click on that and you'll see the Get Started button. Just give that a tap. This will open up Mailchimp's template gallery, which is like your creative playground. You'll see Mailchimp offers a variety of templates, each designed for different kinds of messages, whether you want to send out a classic newsletter, announce a sale, or create something a bit more visual. The great thing here is that these templates aren't just about looks. They're designed to be mobile-friendly and easy to customize, so you don't need to reinvent the wheel each time you send out an email. Now comes the browsing. Take your time here. It's a bit like shopping for the right outfit for an important occasion. You can scroll through all the available templates, and if you have something specific in mind, don't forget to use the filter at the top. The filter makes it super easy to narrow things down by category, style, or even feature. For example, if you only want to see templates with an eye-catching header image, or maybe something simple and text-focused, just adjust those filters. This makes sorting through all the options a breeze. Once you've found a template that jumps out at you, simply click Choose or select underneath the one you like, and you're ready to customize your email content. And that's really all there is to it. You've just located all of Mailchimp's templates, and now you're set to pick whichever fits your campaign best. So there you have it. Finding email templates in Mailchimp is pretty straightforward once you know exactly where to look. If you found this quick tip helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you want to see more Mailchimp tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.